Ah, the retail ice age. That is the extraordinary retreat from bricks and mortar stores and shopping malls. You can actually see it, you know. You can get a parking space at a shopping mall. How about that? Come on in. Retail analyst Burt Flickinger. Is there any sign at all that this retail ice age has bottomed out?
No signs, Stuart. It'll bottom out in 2020. In the meantime, 10,000 more stores will close.
2020. The bottom comes 2020 for bricks and mortar stores.
Dozens of major chains will file for bankruptcy. 10,000 stores will close. Public and private sector tax receipts will be impaired, and the taxpayers will pay for it.
Is this simply a story of online selling taking over, Amazon taking over? Is that the full extent of the story?
It's part of it, but it's also, we have measured on lines of merchandising all over. We're 300% more retail square footage than what shopper demand dictates. So we have all these redundancies in chain retail. That'll be rationalized out. There'll be a renaissance in 2020. The strong will survive, the Macy's, Bloomingdale's of the world, but the undercapitalized ones like Neiman Marcus and Bergdorf Goodman could be gone all the way to Shopko, which F&D and Credit Intel reported this morning.
I saw some numbers just the other day, yesterday actually. In the first quarter of the year, foot traffic in Macy's stores down 8%. Second quarter, down 5%. That's dramatic. Have you ever seen that before?
No, but the vendors are also cheating, Stuart. What Isadora Schwinn and our research team have found is you go to Gucci to get Gucci mules or leather slides, their most popular shoe for women, and Gucci's not selling it to Macy's, Bloomingdale's, Saks, Neiman ahead of market. They're underallocating them, so people go to Gucci.com to pay fuller price, and they're cheating, giving the department stores exclusivity on brands and dumping them in off price from Burlington to TJ Maxx to Ross. So it's the brands that are sabotaging their own stores. Macy's and others will take corrective action, and at that point, the brands who are making a disproportionate amount of money will pay less, and the stores will reach bottom and start to bounce back.
Ouch. One more, and we always look for the Amazon story of the day. We've got one. Amazon reportedly getting into live event ticketing. By that, I think, watch out, Ticketmaster, Live Nation. This is a whole other section, and they're getting into it. Shoppers' consumers' dream answered with Amazon getting into tickets, worst nightmare for Ticketmaster, etc. But once again, Stuart, as you've reported so well for so long, Jeff Bezos is like the equivalent of Genghis Khan and the Mongols, attacking every area to raise the standard of living of consumers by lowering prices and at the same time laying waste to retail. That's the virtue of online. Prices are coming down. That's the correct approach, isn't it?
You're completely correct, Stuart.
Flickinger, you invented the expression retail ice age, and you've come to see it fulfilled. Thanks very much for being with us, Burt.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Back to